What's going on, everybody? Got some big changes happening finally, and thought I'd make a quick little video about it, and also show you a little more on the Panhead I got about a month ago. So I'm finally getting ready to get some concrete in here. So I've got everything moved out of this half of the barn, and everything moved over here. So I'll tell you what, I'm tired of moving all all this stuff from the shop. Can't wait to get some concrete in here and get set up, get back to cracking at it. But while I'm emptying everything out, did a quick video on this 1954 FL Panhead when I picked it up with the previous owner, Tim, but I never really did a walk around or anything of it, and thought I'd go ahead and do that while I had it out and get you guys a little content. So this is a 1954 FL Panhead, numbers matching, engine cases, head, cylinders, everything date code correct, which is sweet. I believe these are 47 to 50 tanks on here. Still got the mechanical 36 to 57 drum brakes, kickstart only, 6-volt, has the Linkert M74B carburetor. It's got a 6/41 millimeter front end, and he's got a Triumph wheel on here. Looks kind of similar to the Harley hamburger style, but he said he wanted a 19, and you know, back in the day in poor, you got what you had and did with it what you could. So he said that's what he came across and could use, so made it work. It has added a oil cooler on here. It's got a few it's got a few things I'm going to switch around, but I'm not going to completely, change everything on this. It's pretty sweet. Old wishbone frame. And that's what I've came across and sold lots of Panhead parts over the years, because I always thought, well, I'm more of in the iron head, shovel head budget, never afford one, and finally came across one. And this thing sat for 25 years. Previous owner, he had it 45 years. Just some of the old stories, talking with him, super cool, and definitely going to stay in touch. Another thing is, this is a 50th anniversary, and I got to thinking, I thought, well, I was thinking, Harley always, 2003, I always think of that being 100th anniversary. Well, apparently, they changed the anniversary year, sometime in the 80s or whatever. And if Harley was founded in 2003 or 1903, 50 years isn't 1953, it'd be 1954. So, so that's why this was 50th anniversary. And then apparently they changed the 100th or the 75th and 80, 100, and it's conflicting years, but that's a little bit of the backstory I heard on that. So this is a 50th anniversary. I'm not positive on if this is the gold series or speedometer, if this is original to 54 or not. But super cool bike. It was in a basement that flooded at one point, and I mean, this guy, previous owner, was a mechanic, went through everything, changed all the fluids, never fired it up since. So all the oil, everything looks good. Cylinder, rear cylinder, looked like it did have some surface rust in there, and got a valve stuck. It doesn't have compression, and he was up front with me, told me all that. So no huge concern there, but super cool bike. Like I said, in the process of getting some concrete out here, trying to get everything set up. but it's high on the priority list to get up and going. And this was the last video I posted on this 67 Ironhead Sportster. That was this guy's grandma, and it's a build-up stroker. Super cool old bike. If you haven't seen that video, check that out. And I appreciate everybody's comments. And let me know what you think. If you aren't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. And here before too long, I have some concrete in here and really get all the bikes in here. I have never had all my bikes in one spot, and I've got quite a collection. So here before too long, we're gonna have some real good content. So thanks for watching, everybody. Take care. Have a good one.